Hello again and good morning. Today we are in Hope, this beautiful vintage shop in Romford, and they have been very kind allowing us to work in this window. So instead of our usual little window garden display, we will have today a big window so we can show how it can be done for real. And the display is going to be here for a while, so obviously we invite everyone, once the people are allowed to go out and about, come around, have a look, be inspired. And today I'm very lucky. I have a local friend called someone called Bharti. She's a really creative person with very good hands, and I needed some help with cutting and creating shapes. She's really good at that, and it's one of those local connections that's going to make this project possible. So thank you for her contribution. Working with something that is inspired by Matisse's paintings, and when he was sick and frail, he couldn't paint anymore, so what he started doing is cutting out bits of paper and creating these beautiful kind of organic shapes, which is a garden of a slightly different kind. So anybody can do it. You can cut the shapes that you want, as long as it feels a little bit like something organic and alive. That's what we want. So we're going to be doing a lot of cutting and a lot of sticking, and by the end of the day, hopefully this window will be absolutely amazing, and it will be something that hopefully will inspire others to do the same. So we finished. A lot of cutting, a lot of sticking, a lot of wondering where things go and all that. But I think we have a beautiful window garden today here in Hope, this vintage shop where we've been very kindly invited us to do our display. And just a few bits of paper, cutting out shapes any way you want. You don't have to be really very kind of strict in the way you do it. And then you assemble it on the window however you want, and you have a beautiful window garden. So we hope that you're gonna get inspired. We hope that you're gonna make a beautiful window display, and please tell your friends, upload images on our Facebook and Instagram and all that. Join in, invite others. Let's make a beautiful large window garden display in all the houses in Romford. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in window garden number 6, which will be the last one. We're hoping that it will be in the market, in a public place, and there will be an element of participation, and it will be live. So hopefully some of you will join us from your houses and homes, etc. Okay, thank you. Enjoy the window. Enjoy making your own window, and see you soon.
Wow!
Looking nice, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, this is great! I love it!
Okay.